Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Let's begin this video. First call was Hindalco at 501. It was a buy call. Going to daily chart. Yes, the breakout did happen. Now we have to see where was the breakout. This is opening range 501.30 and then 597.25. So clearly our entry level got hit and then price came lower, which means that SL is hit. It was a great analysis, but due to price going lower after hitting the entry level, we had to bear a loss. Second stock was Bharat Forge. Buying level was at 793 rupees. Bharat Forge 793. Yes, the breakout did happen. Once again, I will go to 5 minutes chart. So somewhere here 796, 792.20. So 792. Yes. In this particular stock, oh no, 793. Sorry, 793. I am taking the entry level as 790. So 793. And easily our stop loss was never in danger. 813 was the target, which means all the targets got hit. Third stock was Hindustan Zinc. Buying level was at 321 rupees. Let me go to daily chart once again. See, there was a huge breakout. 321 rupees. Where was it? Somewhere here. Yes, somewhere here. See, after 321, price went higher like there was no tomorrow. 339. So here all the targets got hit as well, just like Bharat Forge. The last stock was Ramco Systems and selling level was at 474 rupees. I will go to daily chart once again. 471.55, 472 is our first target. So somewhere here. Yes, 4. No, it has gone lower. 468. So 468, which means 3 targets. It was unfortunate that in Hindalco, after hitting the entry level, price came lower. Otherwise, we would have had a clean sweep. Nonetheless, it was a great analysis from me and I have to keep it going. Talking about stock number 1 for tomorrow's session, I have JK Lakshmi Cements. And on daily chart, this is a channel pattern. Let me draw it out concisely. And after that, we can see there was a breakout and currently price is on the same level. I will zoom out a bit. I'm trying to draw one more line. Yeah, this particular line where price is facing a decent obstruction is a breakout level of 660 rupees. See here. But what I'm looking at is I'll go to 4 hours chart and I will draw one more line, and this line is a bearish breakout line. So pay attention. This was a minor breakout. After that, price slowly but surely going lower with decent range bearish candles. Volume is pretty steady as well, which means that sellers had a field day taking price lower. There was no interest from buyers, and this particular bearish momentum can result in price going as low as 615 or even 610 rupees. Second stock for tomorrow's session is State Bank of India. On hourly chart, we can draw an higher lows and higher highs pattern, which is a bullish pattern in itself. What does it mean? I'll give you an example of this rally. So buy started from 430 and it went on till 450. After that, some buyers decided to book profit, and which compelled price to go down, and also at this particular price action pattern give buyers to buy at a lower level. So again they came in, they bought at lower level, price went higher. Some of them opted to book profit again, some of them came. So this particular pattern is going on since many days. Pay attention here, price went higher, came lower, and this particular down rally is close to 50% of this up rally, which means that this is just a correction. If price goes over a 485, we can see more and more buyers coming in at this particular level, and in tomorrow's session it is highly likely that the round number of 500 is in real danger of getting knocked down. Third stock that I have for tomorrow's session is Sun Pharma. Just like SBI, we can see higher highs, higher lows pattern here as well. So this particular pattern, or rally rather, started at 825. Just pay attention to volume activity in combination with decent range bullish candle. So after that, at the level of 846, some of the buyers decided to book profit. Hence, we can see bit of fall in the stock price. So what will happen here is that, or what will likely to to happen here, this particular fall in the stock price presents an opportunity to buyers to buy at a lower level. And if they do come in, we can see a decent bullish momentum continuing above the high of today's session, which is at 847, and this particular bullish momentum can soar above 870 or even higher than that. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco Industries, and this is a perfect breakout level on daily chart at 513. Just pay attention. At this particular level, we can see cluster of candles, which means that price was finding it very difficult to close above 495, and this particular candle just did that. It closed as high as 505. After that, naturally sellers came in, or we can say buyers opted to book profit, and this particular profit booking has ended on the level of 472. So this is one rally, this is another rally. So we have two bottoms, and these two bottoms forms a double bottom pattern. After the formation of double bottom pattern, see how these three candles, they are showing increased interest from buyers in form of longish range of the candle as well as spike in volume activity. So breakout should happen, and tomorrow could be another big day in Hindalco Industries. Talking about all possible levels, these are the levels I have jotted down in Excel sheet. I'm going to share a screenshot in my Telegram channel as well. As I always say, we all have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss, no matter how profitable or promising the trade looks from outside. That's it in this particular video. Thank you for watching.